In this playlist, we'll add packages to a standard Yocto image and program it to an Icicle kit to test the additional packages. To complete the steps shown in this video, you'll need the Icicle kit reference design tag, version 2021.04 or later, programmed into your kit, and if you're not sure how to do this, see our video called Getting Back to Factory Defaults. You'll also need a terminal emulator such as PuTTY or Teraterm to use the MSS UART connections. To program and test your board, ensure that a power cable is connected to the power connector shown here. For programming and debug, a micro USB cable should be connected to port J33 on the left of the board. To access the MSS UART connections, connect a micro USB cable to port J11 on the right of the board. To program the eMNC, connect a micro USB cable to port J16 at the top of the board. All of the connections are shown here.